Hello again folks, it's Mel at Stocksbridge Guitar Tape. Got a very quick video for you today. A couple of years ago or so I did a setup on an ESP Ltd MH-100 guitar. It was needed a bit of a clean and it needed the Floyd Rose setting up. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to go and watch that video of me setting the guitar up. But just recently, the guy whose guitar it is contacted me and said, can you do me a setup on it again? I broke a couple of strings. So I said, yeah, no problem. And he brought me the guitar and I was shocked when I saw it. I don't know where he's been keeping it. He's obviously not played it very much at all in the last 2 years, and it appears to have been kept in a very damp environment like a cellar or a garage or something like that. The bridge was all rusty and all of the screws on the bridge were all seized into the blocks. You couldn't turn them with an Allen key or your fingers or anything. So basically I'll just show you what the guitar came to me looking like. So as you can see there, it looked a bit worse for wear. So I'm going to do my best with it and see what I can do with it. I'm not going to make you sit through and watch all the cleaning process. I'll just do a time lapse of me cleaning the guitar and taking the strings off. And as I said, I've already covered doing the Floyd Rose setup on the guitar. I'll leave that link in the description below so you can go and watch it if you want to. But here's a very quick time lapse of me doing some work on the guitar and showing it some love. here's the guitar, all finished, all set up. So hopefully this time he'll look after it a little bit better. I would just say, if you have got a guitar and you haven't played it for a while and you're not going to be playing it, then keep it in a case and keep it somewhere reasonably warm and dry, or sell the guitar if you don't think you're ever going to use it again. There's really no need to let them get into this kind of state. But anyway, it's back to almost as good as new now. He's got a few little dings and scratches on it and battle scars, but it works again. So everything's back in working order. That's all from me today. I told you it was going to be a quick one, this, as ever. Please do subscribe to the channel, as that'll help me out. And if you do subscribe, ring that bell notification. That's all from me. I'll see you again with another video shortly. Thanks for watching and bye for now.